Hello sir, my name is Ketu Patel. Our topic is on the retail chain and our organization is a Cold Supermarket. Introduction. The present report aims to describe the key characteristic of the cloud computing model as well as the deployment of this model in Cold Supermarket. The report has addressed the risk and threat involving with the deployment process of cloud computing. Several mitigation strategies have also been deployed. It has also explored the business continuity planning and disaster recovery model aligning with the cloud computing model. The cyber security challenges and security measures have been incorporated in the present report. Cloud characteristic and deployment process. It has been identified that there are five major key characteristics of the cloud computing model, including the on-demand self-services, scalability, resource pooling, brand network access, and measured services. The on-demand self-service help retail companies to adapt to the market changes required by the customer. The brand network access help in networking with all brands across the international and local market. It helps businesses to provide multiple types of services to various clients based on their unique needs. The retailers can easily fulfill different client needs with this multi-client approach independent of the locations. In addition, this model is also considered to have metering capability. It helps in managing the resource utilization process through monitoring, regulating, and reporting the total resources used by businesses automatically. Cloud computing implementation aids in data collection, monitoring, and analysis for retail firms in order to forecast consumer behavior and market trends. By accelerating project delivery, the hybrid cloud model implementation is predicted to save millions of dollars annually. In the event that cloud computing is implemented, the IT Steam Intelligence Edge Backbone computing platform from course will provide a scalability, multiplexing, aggregation, and emulation will be provided by the hybrid model because the current retail company has partnered with the Microsoft Azure. Cost benefit analysis. The adoption of the cloud model has revolutionized the retail price and reduced the cost because it helps with the real-time data access, security, and operational efficiency. Additionally, it has been observed that the retail industry has implemented artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and machine learning to provide customer with efficient and effective servicing. Thank you, sir.
My name is Gunjan Kumar Patel. My student ID is 20237482. The majority of retail companies use cloud computing to stay competitive when it comes to cost-cutting measures. This is methodology significantly lowers workforce management cost while freeing up the simplified workforce to concentrate on innovation and inventory optimization. Additionally, by lowering their carbon footprint, retail enterprise can lower their overall energy cost and contribute to sustainable goal. This is made possible by the cloud computing concept. The presence of complex IT structure under cloud computing puts business at risk. Unwanted latency is also another risk factor. Data loss during the migration period, attaining IPS and data thieves, lack of skill in the workforce, and unnecessary project spend. Attaining the IPS make the loss and there of use confidentially data in the retail industry. Strategy of backing up all the data with third-party encryption, developing detailed cost structure of migrate to the risk of unnecessary project spend. Strategy of regularly compliance with the business needs.
Hello everyone, I am Dakshish Kumar Patel. My student ID is 20237058. My first slide is business continuation planning and disaster recovery. Retail business can secure, store, and easily accept data anytime by integrating that good computing disaster recovery model. Good computing disaster recovery model helps in secure, storing, and accessible the data anytime by the retail business. My next slide is regulatory compliance. A healthy corporate environment necessarily balancing regulatory compliance with business needs, which means that the current organization must. Data protection regulation helps protect the data in the cloud model. Combination with business needs, which means that the current organization must prioritize two areas, data protection and service legal agreements, or it's necessary to comply with these two regulations by the enter the new cloud computing environment. My next slide is conclusion. The present report concludes with several findings include the benefits and environment, the cost structure due to deploying the cloud computing model in calls as well as the risk and threat associated with it. Several migration strategies have also been developed with regulatory compliance to deal with the risk and challenge. My next slide is references. Add notes or script to help you land your message clearly. Note can be added while editing your presentation and the disaster. Thank you everyone.